How can you make studying fun? So here's the challenge. How can you make studying not only tolerable, but fun? 1. Listen to good music. If music isn't too distracting while you study, turn up the tunes. Listening to music while you study can help you get into a flow and rhythm, no pun intended. To avoid lyrics becoming a distraction, you can try listen to classical music or instrumentals. For some ideas, Spotify and YouTube offer study playlists that are already pre-built. 2. Turn it into a game for yourself. The study aids of puzzles, quizzes, and flashcards all tap into the fact that we often learn better with games and are more motivated too. Online resources like Quizlet allow you to create custom flashcards that test you when you need perfect for reviewing material. 3. Study groups. Studying with friends can be motivating and helpful as you share ideas that you might not have thought of individually. Study groups can help you stay on top of your education. When you don't understand or remember something, the study group provides valuable feedback. 4. Rewards. Many people can get into good habits by creating a positive feedback loop based on a reward system. This works by giving yourself something to look forward to when you complete a task or spend a certain amount of time working on one subject. When you are managing your time as a student, it's useful to create a schedule and break down your time blocks according to your needs. You can set aside 1 hour to study for math, 1 hour to exercise, a few hours to socialize, 1 hour for another subject, and so on. 5. Be creative. Use diagrams. Through visualization, it may become easier to memorize ideas and facts. Illustrate. Whether or not you're a good artist, you can always draw out your notes. Make a recording. When you write things down, you learn the information both while you are writing it and reading it. Likewise, if you want to remember something, you can record yourself. Make mnemonics. A mnemonic is a pattern of letters, ideas, or associations that is useful for memorization. 6. Get interested in the topic. There are times when the material you are learning is not interesting to you. It's understandable, not everything is for everyone. However, it all can shift with the right mindset and habits. One way to make studying more interesting is to change formats. For example, if you read a book and it's been made into a movie, it's okay to take a break and watch the movie.